welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we're going over our old school fried chicken, everybody. Yes. So everyone, our, basics old school seasoning is already shown on our YouTube channel of how we properly clean and prepare frying chicken. And yeah, we have all of the nice ingredients, everybody. It's the old school. That's why we call it old school. So think about this. It's the Lawry's, the garlic, Lawry's, also salt, and we also pepper and onion powder, everybody. That's one of our biggest seasonings for old school. You ain't know about the old school. You guys don't know nothing about no old school. You know what I'm saying? Grandma. I'm sorry. Just feeling a little good. But anyway, I just want to say, this is one of our popular things, especially when we do things for like at the church, and they always ask, oh, can you fry some chicken? Grandmother, I don't understand, like, how that just automatically says that we have to make the chicken. Well, of course we have to make the chicken because we put some seasonings on there. You remember when Pearline made it, girl? Pearline put some salt and pepper on that chicken. I said, girl, what is wrong with you? I thought I must have lost my mind and cussed her out at the church. Grandma, well, I'm serious. But anyway, we have our recipe already posted on our YouTube channel. Go over and check it out and subscribe. And we'd like to thank Sonia Jackson for following us and subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have room for more.